Well, the kids are back in school and everybody has decided to get sick. So we've been using our warm mist humidifier, and this is the CVS brand. And I really wanted to do a review of it and show you all the things, all the features, what you can do, how to use it. And we've used it quite a bit, and I actually need to clean it. So we're going to be doing a video after this showing you how to descale and how to clean it. And you take this all apart, and you can see there how it has some buildup, and we will be doing a video showing you how to clean that next. Once we get that video uploaded, we'll put a link at the end of this video so you can watch this one and then click the link at the end of the video, and you'll be able to see it on how to clean and take care of your humidifier. But right now I want to show you how to use this. So let's start with the different pieces that we've got going on here. Right here is your medicine cup. This is where you would put your inhalant, like your vapor steam or your cause inhalant. So that you would put right in here. The directions specifically say not to put any sort of medicine inside the tank. So you're not supposed to put anything in here but water. And then this is the cooling chamber, and your steam is going to come up through here, and it's going to cool off just a little bit before it reaches the air. And this is your water tank. One of the things I love about this set is it seems simple enough, but the water tank will actually sit. This is flat, so you can sit it in the tub or the sink and unscrew the top, and you can fill it up. So many of these, they have like a curve here, and you have to sit there and hold it in the sink while it fills up. This one, I can just leave it like this, and it will fill up without falling over or anything like that. So that's a really nice, simple feature. I can also get my hand in here to clean. So it's pretty simple in here. There's no doodads or anything that's going to get hard to clean. It's all pretty reachable, and that's important as well. So we've got our cap. There we go. And then let's come over here and look at the rest of this. Right here we've got a red latch, and this is our removable tray. And then this is our heating chamber here. And you can put this back in like this. And then this is your cooling chamber, and you want to make sure it goes underneath that latch. See how that goes? You don't want to put the water tank on unless you've got that latched correctly. So once that's all done, we're going to take our water tank over to the sink and fill it up. We've got our water tank, and you can see how it sits nice. I can turn the water on and wait for it to fill up. And you can see how it's sitting there. It's not falling over or wobbling. So that is really, really awesome. This one does not have a fill line or anything. A lot of these will show you where to fill it up to. But we just filled it up right there. And then we put our cap back on. Go. And we're going to take it back over to the humidifier. Now you want to make sure this is on a surface that if it gets wet, it won't be ruined. And you also want to make sure that it's a decent distance away from the wall so that your wall does not get wet, because the steam is going to come up out of this and of course cause moisture, and it's going to sit right in there. And right now it's draining water down into the tank, and we need to make sure we put our medicine cap back on here like that, and it says caution hot at the top because obviously this is a warm mist humidifier, so our mist at the top is going to be warm because that's what we want. Now we're going to make sure it's in the off position. Here is our knob, and you have off, and then you have different levels of steam that you can use, medium or all the way on. And then there will be a red light when the water runs out and it needs to be refilled. But right now we have it on off. Make sure your hands are dry before you go to plug this in so that you are safe. We're going to plug it in, and once it's plugged in, we are going to turn it on. And you can see I've got a little bit of a green light here showing that it is indeed on, and it takes it a little bit to heat up. So right now the heating element is getting hot, and soon, once that warms up, it will start creating a mist. Now this is for a medium-sized room, and right here it says medium to large size room. There you go. And it should, when it's full, work for 12 to 24 hours, depending on whether you have it on medium steam or on high steam. It has a warm mist, quiet operation, and it holds 1 gallon of water. So that is awesome. Has a cup for the inhalant, 3-year warranty. Let's see if there's anything else you need to know back here. I think that's about it. So right now we're just waiting for it to create steam. It's still warming up, so you can see how it takes a little bit of time. And I can hear it gurgling, so we should have steam shortly. And it does have a handle up here at the top so that you can carry it with the handle, and that is useful. I really like the humidifiers that have handles on them. And right here shows all the different parts. And like I said, in our next video we are going to be showing you how to clean this with vinegar, and that's how to descale it and get all that grime off your heating element. And we will also be showing you how to clean it with bleach as the directions tell you to do. And we are actually starting to get a little bit of steam now, so that didn't take too long. I don't know if you can see the steam or not, but it is steaming, and if you put your hand over it and you leave it there, it starts to get uncomfortable. Like it starts to hurt a little bit if I leave my hand right here. But that is just something to take note of. It does warn you that this steam is hot, and this is on high. And get you a little closer. See, you can see the steam now. It's steaming up my lens. But it is steaming, and it works really well, especially in the winter when you're trying to keep a room warm and you've already got the heat on, and there's no reason to be cooling off a room with a cool mist humidifier and then warming it up with your heater. So this creates warm air, so it works with your heater instead of against your heater in the wintertime. CVS also has the ultrasonic humidifier, and this is for cool moisture. And you can see that there. And this one is great for in the summertime when you have the air conditioner running, and once again you don't want to be putting heat into a room while you're trying to cool it off when it's 100 degrees outside. So here's your cool moisture. And then we also have the warm steam vaporizer, and this is one of the traditional warm steam vaporizers. Vicks also makes one, and there's a big difference in price. This warm steam vaporizer is only $17 or $18. The cool moisture is $50, and I believe the warm mist was around $50 as well. So we'll be doing videos of this one and this one soon, and I hope this helped you. Make sure to stick around and click the links here for how to clean your warm mist CVS humidifier. We're going to descale it with vinegar, and we are going to clean it out with bleach. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.